Hello kids! Today we will practice simple sentences. Play a game, read each sentence and earn 10 stars. Are you ready? Let's begin. Follow the small blue circle and read along. Cats play with small toys. Again, cats play with small toys. Your turn. Very good. You have earned 1 star. Keep it up. Dogs jump over tall logs. Again. Dogs jump over tall logs. Your turn. Great job! You have earned 2 stars. Keep it up. Kids love to eat pie. Again. Kids love to eat pie. Your turn. Great job! You have earned 3 stars. Keep it up. Birds fly high in the sky. Again. Birds fly high in the sky. Your turn. Amazing! You have earned 4 stars. Keep going. Fish swim in the sea. Again. Fish swim in the sea. Your turn. Well done! You have earned 5 stars. Keep going. Boys run fast in park. Again. Boys run fast in park. Your turn. Well done! You have earned 6 stars. Great job! Girls sing songs with joy. Again. Girls sing songs with joy. Your turn. Amazing! You have earned 7 stars. 3 more to go. The sun shines so bright. Again. The sun shines so bright. Your turn. Very good. You have earned 8 stars. Only 2 more to go. Bees buzz near the flowers. Again, bees buzz near the flowers. Your turn. Well done. You have earned 9 stars. Only 1 to go. Ducks swim in the pond. Again, ducks swim in the pond. Your turn. You have earned 10 stars. Well done. You won the game. Here's your trophy. Let's count all our stars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Congratulations. Your reading is improving. If you enjoyed this and want to watch more videos, hit the red button below to subscribe and see me in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.